So today is a big announcement for me. It is my very first birthday challenge giveaway, and I had to write everything down because this is my first time doing this and wanted to make sure I covered everything. So for my birthday challenge giveaway, it is my 45th birthday, and I wanted to do something special. So and also to give back to all my subscribers. I want to thank you all for subscribing and coming back every day to watch my videos. I appreciate all the support. So let me go on with this announcement. First, we're going to call it the Ilene's Birthday Challenge Giveaway 2019. And to enter, first you have to email me so I can put your name down and I can send you my mailing address because I do not have a P.O. box. And all I require is a Memory Dex card, and you can do it in your favorite color theme. Does not have to be birthday. It can be anything. As long as it's a color theme, you know, like stick with a color theme, like, I don't know, red and gold or whatever, you know, just stick with the color theme. I'd like to see an organized color theme, if, you know, that's the challenge. Anyway, on the Memory Dex card, all you have to include is your name, your first and last name, your YouTube channel name, so that I know who you are on YouTube, your IG, Instagram name, your email, so I can contact you if you're the winner, your birth month. You don't have to include your birth date or your birth date, you know, just your birth month. It's up to you if you want to give me more. Your 3 favorite crafty things. Mine is not my favorite, but I use it a lot. It's just my hot glue gun, my scoreboard, cutting board, and what was the other one? Scrapbook paper. Those are my 3 favorite things. Your favorite crafty store. Doesn't have to be a brick and mortar store. It could be your online store or both. It doesn't matter. And then the second thing I require is 3 handmade embellishments. This will help me build my stash. Not to lie, but yeah, I'd like to build up my stash. I need help in that department. Just as long as it doesn't exceed like 3 inches. Anything bigger is just, it's a little harder for me to organize here in my craft room. So if you keep it small, that'll help me a lot. I just made, if you've seen my videos, I just made a few embellishments, and this is the largest that I have created, and that is, yep, 3 inches. 3 inches, the largest. And then, you know, it could be bows, it could be fussy cut work, and you glitter them, or it could be made from glitter paper, pattern paper, whatever, you know, handmade embellishments. I like the handmade. You know, and just keep it matching your Memory Dex card. So if you make embellishments, it may match it to your Memory Dex. And then to earn an extra point, you could do a video response here on YouTube, or you could tag me on Instagram if you post pictures. And my tag name is @IlenePayne. This giveaway is open today, September 1st, and it will close on September 30th. And then I will announce the winner of the giveaway by random number picker on October 3rd. Okay, and I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of what the prize is. I'm not going to show you everything. So here I got the Maggie Holmes Magnet Studio, and it's the black with the gray floral, and it comes with all these alphas. And also the carousel stickers, 206 stickers, and it's 4 pages. So that's the first. That's the second, and then the third. Oh, I was wrong. 3 pages. Anyway, and then there is the Willow Lane 15 journaling ephemera. Okay, so that is just a peek of what you could win. It will be US only, is because I cannot do the international shipping. I'm sorry to my international, if I have any subscribers. I am so sorry, but this is my first giveaway. I want to just try to keep it simple so I could see how it will go. And, you know, in the future, I can open up to more, maybe an online card next time. But for now, this is US only, and I really apologize to all my others. So that is it, guys. Remember just to email me, and I will link it in the bio. If you forget that it's here, you could screenshot this, pause the video and take a screenshot so that you have this information. But like I said, I will try to put all this information in my bio. And I want to thank you all, to all my new and my loyal subscribers. It means a lot to me. But anyway, thank you again, ladies, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.